So I've got this beautiful classical style villa. It's detached and it's a little bit windy today, so I might do a voiceover on the outside bit for you guys, okay? So just bear with me. So we are on a perimeter road here. The sun is shining, beautiful blue skies. The flowers are out and this is a lovely area to walk your dog or just for a walk anyway. You have beautiful views of the mountains in the backdrop there. This property is a corner plot, as you can see. You have off-road parking for one car and you have a pedestrian gate. So the road is quite wide. So let's go in and check it out. Now, this garden itself has beautiful flowers and trees and shrubs. So they're well established in the garden. And the walls are raised for privacy, as you can see. Lovely areas to sit and maybe read a book, you know, and just enjoy the sunshine. So this is the house itself. Very decorative wreckers on the outside. We've just taken a walk over here, as you can see. Now, here is enough room for one car, but you could put a bike or maybe a jet ski in the back there that you can hook onto your car and bring to the local beaches afterwards. So we have about 2 or 3 steps here with a very decorative balustrade to the house itself. So let's go up inside the house and have a look around. I do like the little details, the different wreckers and how they've made them very ornate and the number of the doors and everything. I think it's lovely. It's quite charming. Adds to the charm of the property. This house has a modern door. So I've just come into this Clasico. It's absolutely beautiful. As you can see, it's not my normal Clasico. This is a detached style Clasico. It has dual aspect windows. It's also got aircon and it's got a wall heater there. It's also got ceiling lights and fan. I'm just going to walk up here. It's got 2 of those heaters in this room. I'm just going to pan around for you. The sun is shining outside, but it is quite a windy day today, I'm afraid. So lovely living space here. I'm going to walk through the archway and we're going to have a look at the 2 bedrooms and the family bathroom. So just going through here, trying to avoid the mirror as I do. So just in here is your master bedroom. Just shut the door behind me. So in here you've got switches and sockets on either side of the bed for your lamps. You have got your aircon and your ceiling light and fan above. Very decorative wreckers, insect screens and blackout blinds on the windows. Everything you need really in a comfortable villa. So just here you have your double wardrobes and they have sliding doors. Okay. Just coming round just for you to get a feel of the room and a sense of how big this room is. You can, I believe, get a king size bed in these bedrooms. Okay. So let's go on to the next room. Now directly in front of me you have the bathroom, and as you can see in the bathroom it is tiled from floor to ceiling. Okay, you have got a bidet, you've got a WC and you've got a sink and pedestal. Just above there, of course, you have got a little vanity unit with lights and a mirror. On the bath, you've got a bifolding shower screen, and behind that, you've got a shower attachment. I'll just show you that now. Shutting the door behind me, guys. You've also got a frosted glass window there. If I pan around, you can see you have got plenty of storage for your bits and bobs. You've got 2 little hooks for your towels there. You've got a wall heater just there. On the other side you have a towel heater, and just above the door You've got an overhead heater. So you won't get chilly in this bathroom. So let me take you out and we go into the next bedroom. So the next bedroom in here, as you can see, is illuminated beautifully with the sunshine. You have got a ceiling light and fan above, and you have your aircon. I'm just coming around here for a moment, and that overlooks the back garden there as well. You have got your wardrobes there, sliding doors. And if I go over this side of the bedroom here, you have got a little wall heater just below there. Okay, so really lovely cozy bedrooms. So I'm going back through and just give you a quick glimpse of this beautiful living space. Really lovely villa this. Now just through here is your kitchen. In your kitchen you have overhead storage. You've got so just here, I'm going to show you the living space again. Really nice living space. Nice and cozy in here. And just in here is your kitchen. In your kitchen, it's a nice wooden kitchen. You've got plenty of top and base units. In here you have an electric oven and a gas hob. I just pushed this up because at first I thought it was an actual electric hob, but it's not, it's a gas hob. Okay, so that's quite nifty there. You've got your sink and drainer, plenty of storage, nice white tiles so you can put any accents you want in this kitchen. Plenty of plugs and sockets, and as I pan around, you've got your fridge freezer, you've got your washing machine there, your worktops with granite effect, and of course more cupboards. Just above there you've got your spotlights. It's illuminated by the window here and the sunshine beaming in. So let's go outside, out to the terrace. Now out here on the terrace you have got a lovely area for outside dining, so you can have your lunch. So we're just outside with these beautiful piercing blue skies, and it is quite warm here even though it is windy. You have got this lovely seating area with the flowers growing over it and the awning that you could just pull out, and that would shade you nicely then. So you have got a little terrace with table and chairs out here, so you can have your lunch outside. You have quite a large plot here, and as you can see there is a gas boiler at the other end of this terrace and the stairs to go upstairs to the rooftop solarium. So I'm going to take you upstairs. You can see all around for miles. You can see how big the garden is down there. In the backdrop you have these fantastic views of the mountains. On the terrace here you have got storage on either end, and that's for all your cushions. So you could do lots up here with false grass and put a little hot tub up here, or plenty of loungers if you wanted to. You know, there's quite a lot you can do with these rooftop solariums or gardens. As I'm looking over the top I can see the built-in concrete table and chairs. You need to put cushions on them in the summer because they get quite hot. It's quite a large area as well, and would be great to put a pool in here, and you could get that designed yourself, whatever you wanted. We have got a few steps down into the garden. Just panning around here, just giving you another quick look, and let's take a few steps down into the garden itself. It, of course, is laid mainly to all this decorative stone. You have an area where you can chill over here with the umbrella. The walls are raised for privacy, as I've said, and you've got plenty of established plants and trees in the garden. This is quite a large area. You have got a water point there for a shower. And all these lights come on at night. Just going to come over here and pan around for you guys, so you can see the area that you've got. You could put a really large pool and jacuzzi in this area here. It's quite a good plot size. And the Clasicos are a lovely design and lovely layout as well. In the backdrop, just peeking over those tall walls there, is the mountains. You have got another pergola here. You just need a cover on that, which they probably have somewhere. Just down here you have got an underbuild. Now the underbuild is just jammed packed with stuff, but you could dig that out if you wanted to, or develop it, but really it's just okay to use it for storage. Of course, this is your driveway here. You've got room for one car, but you could extend it a bit. You could put a trailer, motorbikes, or even jet skis in there, you know. So it's a lovely large garden area. And I'm just going to bring you over to the other side now. You got fruit trees there. And just down there you've got more storage, and that leads to the front of the property. So we are about half an hour from Kildare Airport here, and we're only 20 minutes drive from the local beaches, and we have several of them, guys, and they're really beautiful beaches. So guys, what do you think of this villa? It's absolutely fabulous. It's got a lovely Clasico with plenty of room on its own plot. Nice and detached. It's a corner plot as well, and you've got off-road parking. You've got a fabulous large area out the back where you could put a pool. So you can put your own stamp on this property at any time. So I will put a little clip of one of our local beaches so you can see what the surrounding area is like, and it's not built up like Benidorm or those other places. It's absolutely a dream location here. We are on an urbanisation called Camposol, down in the Costa.Calida. And if you want any more information, do contact info@tolettoseltobuy.com or check out our website. I will also put the reference number for this villa in the title of the video. So if you're interested in this villa, do put it in your email, and don't forget to let us have your contact details as well. So until the next time, take care, and I see you in the next video.